Maybe we'll have Peaches join him a bit. I love Zuko's technique. And you're wet now, aren't you? You want to do it again? Sorry, Peaches, I know you want some of the limelight as well. But you don't do that, you just stand there and just take it. Look how fluffy he is now. He is a pretty big ball of fluff. Hey, ain't you? So one more time, bud, okay? Underneath your wings, eh? And from underneath this time. Have you run out of water? You may run out. And the floor is absolutely drenched. You've probably just broken all the woodwork of the flooring. It was worth it, he says. It was worth it. Let me take it under your arm. No, you won't like that. Everything is completely drenched around him though now. Look how close I get to them. Up on this perch. So nice seeing his wings spread. Because they're quite long. They're deceptively long. I'm a little down here.